guys, welcome to the video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your Wi-Fi. So as you can see, the scan is finished. So what you're going to do now is restart your computer. So the next option is you're going to come to your search bar. You're going to come to your services, right click, run as administrator. Then you're going to scroll all down until you find your WLAN autoconfig. WLAN autoconfig. So you're going to right click, go to properties. So if the startup type is on manual, you have to change it to automatic. Then apply. Then if the service starter is stopped, you're going to have to press your start. Click on the start, click on the start, and click on OK. Close this and check if your option has been fixed. As you can see, mine has been fixed. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.